What's up, everybody? So today I am doing something to my truck. I mean, something I already have already. I'm not really gonna talk a lot because I do have a short amount of time to do this. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a new sound system to this truck. Currently, right now, I have two sub box that like shallow mounts that I got off of Amazon for a very cheap price. It wasn't that bad. What I want to do is run 4 8-inch shubs from SKARS all across, so that way it looks a lot more cleaner and it doesn't move around as much as it does right now. Like I said, I already have everything that I need to do this. It's gonna probably take me 2, 3, 4 days because I'm doing this whenever I get off of work, whenever I do have time, because I'm also studying. So I'm just doing it, for a little bit, and then I go back inside the house and study. So let's get right to it. Oh, but one other thing, I will be giving you the dimensions somewhat because I kind of designed it on my computer, but I will be giving you guys dimensions afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything, and then I guess assemble it another day or something like that. I don't know, but we will see. Other than that, let's get right to it. Alright, so there was a few things that I didn't record and I kind of screwed up on one. I was supposed to cut these at, I think, 2 5/8, and I cut it at 1 5/8. That was my fault. So these I have to use them probably for like something else. I don't know. But I have everything cut out. It's gonna be 5 feet 2 straight across all the way down, and yeah, I have everything here. Everything's ready. I still gotta make the holes for everything. I have a few other things that I have to make. As you guys can see, this is what I kind of made out for the. This is what it's gonna look like. So, yeah. So, I still have a few other things that I need to, do to it, and it should be ready. But other than that, we do have this for today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it because I made a huge mess here in the garage. But other than that, that's all I have for today. Hopefully I make like 3 parts to this video or something like that, just to have some kind of content in my YouTube channel. But other than that, yeah, that's what we have for today. Hope this comes out very nice.
By the way, I don't know if I already mentioned this. They're gonna be 4 SKARS, 8-inch subs, and I'm gonna do them at 2 of them each. I have everything already in the truck. It's just you know.
I wanted to bump a little bit more. So yeah. Well,
That closes it up for today, guys. Peace. And before I go, you guys should go ahead and check out, if you guys didn't notice, Redhead steering gears. They sent these shirts out to me. Same thing goes for my, how you call it, steering gearbox. It's from them as well. So if you guys want to go get something that is going to be well worth your money, especially for these first gens, because they do have very sloppy steering, I would highly recommend you guys getting a Redhead steering gearbox from them. I don't remember what gears I have. I'll put the link under the description below for you guys so that way you guys can check it out. But other than that, yes, let's make steering boxes great again. Check it out. Woo! All right, peace now for sure.